Set to go for this one. A standby point dispatch. Good luck on your pick 4 choices. The 1,300-meter race is underway. In Northern Fame, running in between the runners, Heritage Bonus Bonanza moving up. Then running by the rail is runner number 3, Spanish Creed, sneaking in is the favorite, Octubre 14, while right answer is in behind them. Heading towards the half-mile pole, not too much gap from each other, and now the favorite taking charge, grabbing the lead this time by about a length and a half. Bonus Bonanza now in second, running on the outside third is Northern Fame as they race towards the 450. Octubre 14 starts to draw away by some 4 to 5 lengths. Bonus Bonanza, right answer, rushing up to take second. As they race for home, it's Octubre 14 by about 5 lengths. Our right answer in second with 200 meters to race. Octubre 14 by about 3 lengths. Right answer is on the outside. Octubre 14, right answer, and finally Octubre 14 under the trainership of Dado Sordan, outlasting right answer. Then comes Spanish Creed, Northern Fame,